we're back to solving our measurement problems. Unit 7, Lesson 3, pages 311 and 312. It's like today we're also going to get to some number lines. All right, so just like last time, I'm going to read these to you. I'll help you with the math mountains, but the solving, it's on you, my friends. Kelly has a piece of red yarn that is 25 centimeters long. She also has a piece of blue yarn that is 11 centimeters long. How much longer is the red yarn than the blue yarn? So we know that the red yarn is 25, oh, not 12. My goodness, what is that about? 25 centimeters. And our math mountain goes down, and we've got 11 and box. So 11 plus box equals 25. Number 10, Paco swims 41 meters. Kenny swims 4 meters less than Paco. How far does Kenny swim? All right, once again, it's the same kind of thing. We know how many meters the total is, and that is 41. So this box is how many meters Kenny swim? Leonard walks 28 meters. Then he walks 56 more meters. How many meters does he walk in all? So we're looking for that total. So we have the partners. We know what that means. Our unit of measurement is meters. All right, the last one on this side, it says a tree is 72 inches tall now. It is 12 inches taller than it was last year. All right, so we know how tall it is in total, but we need to find out that other partner to know how many inches it grew, or how many inches it was last year. All right, so now I need everybody to turn to page 312, and we are going to look at number lines. I'm looking at the D, loop the difference D. Oh, distance is D, total is T. Okay, I'm like, loop the difference D, what does that even mean? So it says loop 17 and loop 28. And now we need to loop the difference, which is D. And that is going to be from right here to right here, and that's D. All we have to do, guys, is count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how long is it? 11. It doesn't tell us what the measurement is. So we're going to say units. So 11 units. I'll zoom in on that so you can see that, because it's a little weird. Any questions about that? All right, the next one says loop 17 and 35. So just like before, we're going to find 17 and we're going to find 35. But oh my gosh, look at this. This one only shows the evens on there. So we are going to have to figure out where 17 is. The good thing is I know where 16 is, I know where 18 is, And in between 16 and 18 is 17. And we're going to do the same thing with 35. We know where 34 is. We know where 36 is. So we're going to write 35 right there. Do you know what this means? This means that we're going to actually have to really count carefully because it's not just telling us everything. All right, so I'm going to loop 17. I'm going to loop 35. And now I'm going to go ahead and loop this part, and that's D. And we're looking for the difference this time. So once again, let's count it up and go ahead and type it in the chat once you have it figured out. All right, yeah, 18 watts. Yeah, once again, they didn't tell us the unit of measurement, so we just call it 18 units. Number 15 says loop 38 and 84. What do you notice about this number line? This one the top one counted by ones, twos. What's this one counting by? Yeah, it's counting by fives. So we have to find 38 and 84. I'm gonna mark it. Then I'm gonna loop my difference. And then count up how many units. And this time I can count kind of by fives. 40. How many units is it? Yeah. Oh, did you put it in chat first? $46 units. The way I did this was 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Is the way I did that. I counted all my fives first. Whew, they're really trying us today. All right, last one, loop 67. Add 26 to it. And then loop the total. So we're finding 67. And we're adding 26 to it. And it says, how long is that? What's our total here? So you have to add 67 plus 26. And what do you end up at? Go ahead and put it in the chat when you know. That was a little harder, wasn't it? 93 units. All right, so when you're finished with both sides, take a picture of each side and share it with me on Seesaw.